Hi, it's Tina from fixturewater.com, F-I-X-U-R water.com, and I wanted to tell you exactly why I need a water filter, but you might be having some of the same symptoms of bad water that I have here. We just bought this property and I didn't even have it tested yet, but wildly, I filled this jug of water, and if you can see, there's some missing. And there's some missing because I poured it into a glass and drank it to take an antibiotic. And then about 2 weeks later, I picked it up, and I don't know if you can see it. Can you see all the junk on the bottom of that? Can you see it? It has all settled out. I drank that. I drank it. And then I started washing my dishes in the dishwasher. Can you see that scale? That's not soap, that's scale from my water. I heat up hot chocolate. I don't drink coffee, I drink hot chocolate. When I quit smoking decades and decades ago, coffee just wasn't doing it. So I switched to hot chocolate, and I heat up in the microwave hot chocolate. This is from milk. I rinsed it out before I put it in. I washed it, not in an overloaded dishwasher, and I heat up the water really hot so that it will get it. And this is what scale does to glass. I am embarrassed to have people, can you see this? To have people come over. I won't, unless I have new glasses or blue glasses. But the fact that I'm drinking this, and even when I use a scrubby, because I have to wash everything when it comes out of the dishwasher, I use a scrubby, and it doesn't get, it gets better than this, but it doesn't get much better than this. My last show and tell is this spatula. Yummy, little scale on the end of that. And you should see my toilet, it's all rusty. So anyway, I don't want to show you the toilet. You can see a picture on my website, fixturewater.com, for your. Check it out, there's a picture of my toilet on there, and it's just gross. So our homemade well water filter is patent pending, and that means that it's so efficient and no one else has ever done anything like this. And instead of paying $5,000, $10,000, $15,000 or more for a water filter system to filter your water, our water filter system can get rid of just about everything, and way better than I had with my water softener years ago. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in my course called Homemade Well Water Filter. Thank you so much.